It should literally be illegal for my parents to be in this garage. But anywho, what's up guys, it's Skxtes TV dropping another video for you. And in today's video, we are finally going to be installing my raceline camber arms for my 2020 Audi A3. I'm gonna try to record with my rear facing camera because the quality is so much better. But if I'm down here, just bear with me. I'm still gauging where to look. I don't know if I'm gonna do the front today because I'm not feeling very ambitious. It shouldn't take too long to put the rears on. I did the unboxing on my TikTok. It probably got like 2 views, but here they are, guys. They're super high quality, really good part. For basically any car on the MQB platform, these will fit. I also have these clips. They're for the brake lines. I saw another guy install another brand of them. They looked a little different. He didn't end up using them because they didn't fit, but we'll see. It's either gonna be these for the brake line or I'm gonna end up zip tying it somewhere down there, but we'll learn as we go. We're gonna start over here on the left side or the driver's side. Let's get this thing on jack stands.
I might just put her on cam, break guns on the pants. I hope you never speak again. Demos I came anyway. I'm so high, I don't wanna win. Roll out of fire, go lay in the sand.
All right, so I popped out this brake line. Basically, I need to get this stuff apart. I'm pretty sure this is all one-time use, but in my head that doesn't happen. So this is gonna be second time use. There is one bolt back there, that's the eccentric bolt. So after we get this part, the eccentric bolt out, then we can start putting the new one in. And in case for some reason you're watching this as a tutorial, these bolts back here are a 21.
I might just put her on cam, break guns on the pants. I hope you never speak again. Demos I came anyway. I'm so high, I don't wanna land. Roll out of fire.
And there we go. Everything is disconnected. Everything is disconnected from the upper control arm right here. This is what it looks like. So I know some of you are gonna comment and tell me about how terrible my rotors look. I'm aware. I need brake pads and rotors all around. Just give me a minute, guys. That's a lot of money.
You are poor.
I will choose to only purchase things I truly need, such as raceline camber arms. Now, this is the more challenging part. That right there is the eccentric bolt.
Eccentric.
And that is the only other thing holding in the upper control arm. This is super lovely because I do not remember the size that it is, so I'm gonna have to reference an old video. Actually, I don't feel like looking. I think it's an 18. This is the easiest way to access it. Oh, I need a longer extension. Obviously, there is going to be a bolt on the other side. I don't know how I'm gonna reach it. It's like, I don't even know where to show you guys for reference. There's the eccentric bolt. And I think I have to reach up into there where you see my airlines crossing over. I think I have to reach up into there and somehow access the other side of the eccentric bolt. So I think the other side of the eccentric bolt is an 18. And what do you know? The only wrench that I'm missing is an 18. So I'm gonna see if I can get an 18 short socket in there. I don't see why I wouldn't be able to. I don't think it's as crowded once I get up in there. We are going to find out and I will let you guys know. So here we go. OEM rear driver's side control arm. This car is literally brand new. If anybody needs OEM parts, DM me because I have so many and they're all in brand new condition. Make sure you guys don't lose your eccentric bolt because obviously you will still need it with the aftermarket camber arms. Okay, so more or less this is actually the size of the OEM one. So basically what I'm going to do is max this the fuck out and see what that gives me. This is how I roughly measured them up. This is something neat I just figured out. To adjust at a large scale, you rotate this one out, but if you keep spinning, when that large bolt is tightened down, you can fine tune it with this one. So then the head itself will come out. So that's just fine tuning, but obviously we want the most camber possible. We're just gonna max out the arms and then we can adjust it later on. I'm gonna throw the eccentric bolt side back in the car and then I'll catch up with you guys after that. All right, I would suggest wearing safety goggles when doing that because I'm seeing dirt. We are going to throw the bolts on this side back in. So one washer on the outside, and you'll put another washer right here, or that washer right there, one on the outside. And then over here, you're going to throw that star washer on that side.
Making advances, 20 hours in a mansion.
I'm gonna be straight with you guys. That doesn't really look like it gave me a lot of camber, but about to find out. We're gonna throw a wheel on there real quick and see what happens. Hell yeah, that definitely gave me a lot more camber. I might actually have to adjust it so the fitment gets tighter. That's exciting. I wanna air out just one side and see what happens. All right, so that's cool. I'm literally gonna do the exact same thing I did on this side, on the other side. So I'm gonna hit you guys back up when I'm aired out in the rear, completely, on the ground, on the floor. So I'll hit you guys up in a second. All right, that side beat me up a little more than the other side did. I kept hitting my knees and shit off stuff. I got that side done. Let's see how much I can air out now in the rear. All right, so I'm definitely low as fuck, but I also heard a really weird noise, so I don't know. Hell yeah. All right, so this has me pretty excited. So actually I'm feeling a little more ambitious than I previously thought. I might as well just jack up the front, max it out, and see where it is from there.
I say like Charlie Manson.
I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know how to do this. I was talking to one of my followers like a while back, and we were talking about my camber adjustment up here. Well, I thought that you could move this one and this one forward and that would adjust the camber, but no, I'm stupid. You see, you have to loosen all of them and then move the whole thing, the whole assembly right here back and forth, and that is what adjusts the camber. So basically I maxed it out. I think it had like 1 or 2 tick marks on here to go, and then it was maxed out. So I just maxed it out, and we're gonna do the other side real quick. I'm probably gonna have to order camber sleeves for the front, because I don't think I'm gonna fully be able to air out, and I don't feel like notching my fenders. Looks like we're probably gonna have to buy camber sleeves, but that's all right. That's more content, and I don't think they're that expensive because it's just a little sleeve that goes on and gives you camber. I'm gonna throw this back together, and then I'm gonna do that side real quick. I'm gonna let you guys know what happens. It doesn't even look like I can move that at all. Let me check the other one real quick. They're in the same spot as the other side. Yeah, and this one is completely maxed out. I know for it. I know it is for sure. I don't know if you're watching this, Lane, but Lane, you were right, man. Definitely need to get camber sleeves. So basically the status of the car is right now, we still need to order the fuel pump. It's like over $500 just for the internals of this thing, and then it's probably another $500 for the tune. I don't know what the price is on these camber sleeves, but fuel pump, tune, camber sleeves, and then after that, we're gonna try to work on getting the grill and the splitter going, and after that, we'll probably wrap the thing and then call it done. While I save up for a project car, I'm probably gonna throw a steering wheel in here because I want an aftermarket steering wheel for some reason, really, really bad. Comment down below what project car you would like to see me purchase. Miatas are super cheap. I know everybody has them, but I wanna do something crazy to it. I wanna try swapping a motor. I've never tried it before. I'd really like to do that. That's actually gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you're commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on post notifications, all that shit. If you need dope car apparel, go to endoftheroadclothing.com, use code STUTV. You get 10% of everything on the website, guys. Banners, merch, stickers, oh my, everything for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. We're almost at 9K. Super close, guys. This is what I want to do for a career. This is my passion. This is what I love to do. I would do it all day, 24/7, 365 if I had the chance. I'm going to leave you guys with a little montage, a little edit of the car. But that's it, guys. Peace out. Have a good day. And as always, don't get overwhelmed.
Might just put her on cam. Red gums on the pants. I hope you never speak again. Demos I came in wet. I'm so high up. I don't wanna win. Roll out of fire. Go lay in the sand. I might just put her on cam. Red gums on the pants. I hope you never speak again.